In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Start by launching Recorder app that's already on your smartphone. Then before doing anything, click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. Once you're done, go back and start recording thanks to this button at the bottom. Then tap on while using the app, allow, and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is here. Now to play it, click on it and tap on allow. And wait. Thanks to this button at the bottom left corner, you can share it. And to manage it, use those three dots at the top right one to access all of those options. See your bookmarks, rename it, or delete it. You can also go back and hold it on the list to access all of those options over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!